Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. On this video, I'm gonna show you how to install APK files on any iPhone for free and no jailbreak required. In this video, I will try to install the APK on iOS, and this is legal and not a scam. This is real with the help of an app from App Store. Okay, let's check it out. First of all, open App Store. Then search LDPhone. Then choose this app and click Get. Once installed, please open this application, then log in or register using a Google account, Apple ID, or other. After successfully logging in, just skip this section. Then a gift message will appear for new users. Claim and get a free balance to create an Android installer for the APK file later. After that, go to your profile. Then you will see the free balance of this application. Please note, this application is 100% free. You do not need payment to install Android APK with this application. Then, click Add Device. Then, change the server to Taiwan to use your free balance. Then click Buy and confirm. After that, go back to Home menu. Device 1 that you created using Taiwan server. As you can see, the Android device is already on your iOS device. You can use this Android like a real Android, and it is 100% private and only you can use this device. After that, you can download and install any application with Google Play Store. You can even install the APK file you want with this device. To download an APK file, you can use the Chrome browser, then search for the APK you want. Then download with Chrome. Wait a few moments until the APK is successfully downloaded. After that, click on the APK file that you downloaded and install the APK on Android. As you can see, the APK files you want to install on your iPhone are successful. So this way, you don't need a new Android device to install APK files that are not available on the iPhone. This method is very easy to access Android devices in the cloud because it is stable, smooth, and without the slightest lag like a real Android. This application is 100% free because you can get more Android clouds by using coins that you get through signing daily, watching advertisements, and carrying out missions in this application. So by collecting points in this application, you can use and install the APK files you want for free. And the Android cloud that you use for your APK files is guaranteed to be safe, and the device is private and only you can access the cloud. So, only in this way can you install APK files on iPhone and iPad, because there is no other way to install APK files on iPhone, because APK does not support iOS users. Okay, thanks for watching this video. If you need help, leave your comment below so I will help you to install APK files on iPhone. See you on the next video.